Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sal here, freestockpicks.org. If you're not a subscriber, please click subscribe right now so you can stay abreast of all the good stuff that I put out. Now, with that said, I want to talk to you guys about ANGI. Now, when I first put out this stock, I was talking about descending triangles back on the 30th. It's the third now, so I just want to give you guys a quick update on where this stock is. It's a great short. I'm going to show you how we've made already some money if you've taken advantage of what I showed you guys earlier with the descending triangle. Now, I've shortened up the time span a little bit, so the descending triangle is out. Now we can actually see the funnel where the stock was stuck in. So this is basically a funnel where the stock was being stuck in, and it bounced out, but it was a fake, and it's coming back down. So I showed you guys this stock at about 812, 813. We're down, or actually we're up because we're shorting, so we're up 10 cents in the stock. And honestly, there is no catalyst to continue it at these price levels. Okay, so it's going to keep going down, and I marked this really interesting level here of 780, and I'm going to show you because where that trigger price is where I think the real collapse is going to happen. Because if you zoom out a little bit, you'll see that 780 has been in the past a support level. So if you're looking to short a stock, as you look for opportunities for the stock to go down, look for a previous price level that the stock has shown significant support at. And if I zoom out, take a larger yearly chart, I can see here there's been in the past support at 780. All right, so that's going to be a very, very important price for us to overcome as we approach that level. Now it's going to go down, but you guys are saying, well, how? I mean, how do you know it's just going to go down? Okay, well, one, there's no catalyst to keep it at this price. Earnings has passed. It got the bump from earnings, which was really strong. I mean, that's a strong move into earnings here. Okay, you went basically from 6, 7 to $8. You got $2 a share, basically over the span of a week. So this is a huge run up, and it's got to get some of that back. There's no catalyst to keep it up there, but I understand that you got to show more than that. So let me show you guys some indicators. Let's go ahead and put an indicator on there to establish that. Now, one of my favorites, no doubt about it, is what do I want to use here? Let's use RSI. Let's just use RSI. Okay. Here's the RSI chart, and as we can see where we are, we're very low on the RSI, and this is a strong sell signal here. Okay, when we go from a 90 to a 40, that's a very bearish sign. Okay, that's a very bearish sign that occurred here on the span of 3 days. So we saw this, or I should say I saw this this past weekend and knew I had to jump on it. But this is a very bearish sign. As we can see, we're still here on the low end of the RSI indicator, and I believe that we're going to continue to see very bearish movement in this stock. So there you go, guys. This is your boy Sal. Just want to show you guys where the stock was now compared to when I talked about it. ANGI, I think it's a great short, and these are things that I think you need to take advantage of. Shorting. If you have TD Ameritrade, you only need $2,000 to start shorting. If you have E-Trade, you only need $2,500 to start trading. So take advantage of the opportunity to be able to bet against some of these companies you feel aren't going to be here very much longer. All right, and you can use indicators like RSI to identify whether or not the stock you're shorting is in fact in a very bearish position, and the stock is showing that it is ready for a strong decline moving forward. As you can see here, in the past we've seen that bearish movement down south, being affirmed by the chart. So very bearish movement. So bearish movement here, and we're going to see the stock continue to move lower. So it's your boy Sal. 780 is a very critical price point for ANGI. Just wanted to update you guys, show the funnel here, how you can point these out and then watch the stock literally move out the funnel. And again, you can make this longer if you want to see if the stock ever thinks about retracing or whatnot. But that's all I wanted to show you guys today. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.